Hello everyone. In this video, we made a list of richest Indian actors 2023. So let's get started. Varun Dhawan, $27 million. Prabhas, $28 million. Zeenat Aman, $29 million. Preeti Zinta, $29 million. Abhishek Bachchan, $30 million. Ranveer Singh, $31 million. Johnny Liver, $32 million. Mahesh Babu, $33 million. Madhuri Dixit, $34 million. John Abraham, $34 million. Anushka Sharma, $35 million. Deepika Padukone, $35 million. Shahid Kapoor, $37 million. Mithun Chakrabarti, $38 million. Arshad Warsi, $40 million. Rekha, $40 million. Ranbir Kapoor, $45 million. Brahmanandan, $46 million. Alu Arjun, $48 million. Sharmila Tagore, $50 million. Nasiruddin Shah, $50 million. Mohan Lal, $52 million. Rajinikanth, $55 million. Anupam Kher, $55 million. Ajay Devgan, $56 million. Vijay, $58 million. Hema Malini, $60 million. N.T. Rama Rao Jr., $60 million. Kareena Kapoor, $72 million. Dharmender, $75 million. Priyanka Chopra, $83 million. Aishwarya Rai, $115 million. Kamal Hassan, $120 million. Nagarjuna, $125 million. Saif Ali Khan, $170 million. Ram Charan, $175 million. Jitender, $200 million. Amir Khan, $235 million. Akshay Kumar, $290 million. Salman Khan, $315 million. Hrithik Roshan, $370 million. Amitabh Bachchan, $440 million. Shah Rukh Khan, $750 million.